for them and a little less press for you. And what we got is good for me, but I ain't fucking with it like vegetables, yeah. And in my prime, I crossed lines, do tripped over, but the white wine kept me feeling refined. But for the peace of mind, I took it right there on the love seed and beat it like a lifeline. Cause I heard the hell of pain of a lifetime. Had to keep you #1 in my top 5. Had to keep you on the dark till the light shine. Know me writing all these wrongs in my white lies. Side pieces want talk, trying to send shots. Jealousy from afar, cause you where they not, but I'm not aware. And even at the tunnels when I'm not in town, I love how you hold it down. This baby Adam and Eve and had a Bible, they just had to believe. And now I lie, bring you down to your knees and take it all away. And only speaking on account of my leave. Another ship and never selling your seeds, cause that's loyalty. And meanwhile I'm smoking blood on the leaves. And fucking strippers that would do it for cleans, like that's royalty. Giving credit to them bitches decline, like why the fuck I put my love on the line. Yeah. Giving credit to them bitches decline.